Good afternoon. This is an international language testing system co-powered by IDP to assess the level of candidate, and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 921. My full name is Kamal. What is your full name?
My full name is Dashmesh Pratap Singh.
Tashmesh, does your name have any special meaning?
Yes sir, that's the name of the also 10th Guru, 10th 6th Guru.
Do you think your name is common?
No sir, that's not very common sir.
Why? Explain. Why your name is not common? Where do you live?
In Balachor sir.
Tell me about your hometown. Explain.
It's a small town named Balachor, a little bit crowded city.
Is it well connected with other cities?
Oh yes sir.
How? Explain.
It is connected to every village nearby. It's by many good roads. Yes, sir.
When did you start living there?
In 2012 sir.
How was the experience till now? Explain.
Sir, the experience was quite good sir, but life in village was, according to me, life in village is good as compared to living in cities.
Is it a small town or big town?
No sir, small towns.
Why do you think like that?
It doesn't cover any vast area sir.
Why do you think your hometown is special for you?
Sir, every activity, daily activity I can do, it's available for me, like workout, everything sir, gym is available.
Would you like to live there in the future?
Yes sir.
Why? Explain.
My every need, according to me, my every daily need can be fulfilled in my hometown.
Okay, let's talk about hobbies. What is your hobby?
My hobby is workout sir.
What do you do in your free time?
I usually use social media sir.
Why do you like to use social media, and what kind of apps you normally use? Explain.
I usually use WhatsApp, Instagram and Snapchat sir. So to be connected with other people, my classmates, my old classmates.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
The house sir.
Tell me something about your house, little bit.
So my house is in 15 acres sir. One park, one lobby, one kitchen, 2-3 bedrooms sir.
Okay, which part of your home or house you really like and why?
I mostly like the park where I can sit in my leisure time also.
Do you think mostly people like to live in apartments or house in your area?
In my area sir, most of the people, they usually live in the houses sir.
Okay, let's talk about outing. Do you like to hang out with friends or family members and why?
Yes, I like to hang out with my friends and family too sir.
Why? Explain.
With my friends I can do anything which I like the most. Things.
Okay, where do you go for outing?
Mostly sir, I go to gym with my friends.
What is your favorite destination for traveling and why?
My favorite destination can be Manali sir.
Explain why. Give me some reasons.
The weather conditions and the atmospheric conditions are quite good sir.
Do you often travel alone or with company?
I travel less, but I travel with the company sir, my friends.
Why do you think some people like to travel alone?
So they can be sir introvert, or they are introverts sir.
Is it safe to travel night time in your country?
For mostly sir, according to me, it should not be, but it is not safe for girls to travel during night.
Okay, let's talk about the first section, Dashmesh. Now it's time to discuss second part of the IELTS speaking test. In this section, you will be given one cue card, and on this topic, you will have on 1 minute for notes and preparation. If you want to make some notes, we have paper and pencil on the table. You can touch it when I will allow you. And today your topic is describe a time when you did not tell the truth to a friend. Here is your topic card, and your time start now.
Can I take it?
Okay, start please.
Sir, around 2 months ago, I didn't tell my friend my own secret. It happened at school. I didn't tell him that because I feel that I will feel regret about it after telling him. He'll not feel good that I am doing that particular thing. I feel regret, sir, after realizing that I haven't told the truth to my best friend, sir. But after 2 to 3 days, just 2 to 3 days, I have just talked to him and I have told him everything.
Okay, let's talk about the next section. That's all for the third part of the second part of the IELTS speaking test. Now it's time to discuss your questions. My first question is about cue card. In which situations is it okay to lie to friends? In what situation, in which situations you feel is it okay to lie to friends or family members?
Sir, I usually don't lie to my family and friends, but it can happen that we tell lie to our family or friends when we are in a very difficult situation. We feel so regret about it.
Okay, why do some people feel comfortable telling strangers the truth but not to friends?
So according to me, I think that they told strangers the truth because according to them, they will not meet them or face in future times.
Do you think nowadays it's very difficult for a person to find out a loyal or true friend?
Yes, it is very difficult for a person.
How? Explain.
That according to everyone and according to me also, that which I think that is my loyal friend. I don't know that when he or she will betray me or.
Okay, according to you, do politicians have to lie?
Yes.
Why?
They have to lie because they want their party to win in the election, so they tell lie to people.
Okay, should politicians who have been caught lying be punished?
No, sir, because it is very common for all the politicians to lie. People before the election, electing the politician, people themselves should know that. But
okay, is lying common in your country?
Yes, it is very common in our country.
How? Give me one example.
Lying is very common in our country.
How? According to you?
According to me, people really don't want to show their real personality to anyone.
Okay, do you think people need to tell the truth all the time?
To friends and family, they need to tell the truth, but to someone stranger, they should not tell any truth.
Okay, my last question. What should parents do if their children tell lies? What should their parent do, according to you?
They should talk with them, with their children, and counsel them.
Okay, that's all for the third section, Dashmesh. And you can leave now. That's all for today's IELTS speaking test. Thank you.
Thank you.